Logan here at the Coastal Carolina Yacht Sales, and today I'm excited to show you this 2024 Pursuit DC246 dual console. Going to go over basic specs, nice features, and popular options to see if it might be the right boat for you. So let's go ahead and dive on in. Now, this might be the smallest dual console in Pursuit's lineup, but it still has a lot of the great features and functionalities you're going to see in their bigger models. This is a 25-foot, 8-inch long boat. It has an 8.5-foot wide beam, so it is trailerable. And then we got Pursuit's nice sharp V entry that they're known for, and a 21-degree dead rise to really cut through that water. So this particular one is powered by the Yamaha 300 V6 4.2 liter with both digital electronic controls and digital electronic steering. Cruising at around 33 miles an hour, you are going to see just a bit over 220 miles out there out of this boat with a 118-gallon fuel tank. So plenty of range out there, no matter what you're doing for the day. First, let's take a look at the transom. First, you're going to notice the trim tabs below. My favorite feature back here is how long these swim platforms are. They do wrap around the engine, giving the engine just a little protection. Notice how Pursuit puts this nice little plate here so you can easily walk around. This one has the removable ski pylon option. You gotta love Pursuit's American-made sticker that they put on all their boats. And then look at this nice little aft storage latch here, great for lines. Stepping on board, we have a nice walk-through door. Get here in the cockpit. And here we're gonna notice almost like a wraparound seating right there with all of those seats pulled out. Just past the entrance, we're gonna see both raw water and freshwater washdown. Now, this is both a fishing and a cruising boat. So what we're going to do, put these seats away, and now we're going to have a ton of room for fishing and start looking at some fishing features too. Now with our seats put away, you can see all this nice cockpit space we have to work the rods. Of course, we have rod holders here. You're going to see a nice deep fish box. And then a nice deep live well. Again, continue on our port side. More rod holders as well. Co-pilot seat. Notice how nice that diamond stitching is. That is done in-house at Pursuit. Here we're going to see our head area along with the sink. Of course, right now we have all of our covers in there. Here we're going to see the captain's chair. Beautiful steering wheel. Of course, Garmin GPS display, stereo, your Yamaha CL5 gauge, Garmin radio right there. Painted on back. Just notice how nice and beefy the windshield frame is, and beautiful hardtop on top. Now between those two seats, here we're going to see an in-deck ski locker storage area. Notice how deep it is. This right here is actually dedicated storage for the aft med sunshade option. So if we go ahead and close our bow walk-through door, we see that hides our access to under our helm. Dedicated storage there for the bow filler cushion. Let's have the table option as well. Right here is where we're going to see all of our electronic switches. Heading up to the bow, we're going to see that same very nice upholstery there. Stainless steel grab handle. Bolsters wrap all the way around. And then under these seats, if I can open them, nice finished storage there on either side. Lastly, we do have the anchor windlass right here, and maybe one of the coolest features on this boat here, a bow boarding ladder. Very unique. If y'all have any questions, leave a comment below, subscribe if you like the content, and have fun out there in the water.